Nurmagomedov and Conor McGregor.
Opponent, his best self every time he's in their face, and not only does he do that in the build-up when he gets into the octagon, with all the ability that he possesses, he's able to do that same thing. That's why he's been so successful and has gone from the bottom to the top of the UFC in such a short time.
Truly one of the elite strikers in UFC history. Moves every needle you would like him to move, and as you said, his work ethic, his preparation truly is legendary. Let's see if he has put in the right work in advance of this.
Has to carry him to victory time and time again. Wrestling, sambo, jiu-jitsu, striking. The guy has it all.
I know you listed striking last, but your head coach Javier Mendez says sometimes he's going southpaw in training. We haven't seen just how good a striker he is. We saw shades of the McGregor fight.
Yes.
But not completely.
But technically, he has so many skills that he has not even displayed to the MMA community yet.
All right, another big spot for Khabib Nurmagomedov here tonight. And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. McGregor is 1 year his senior. Nurmagomedov is 1 inch taller. McGregor will have a 4-inch reach advantage. Here's... All right, so here we go, round one. Khabib Nurmagomedov and Conor McGregor. Gotta think Conor's gonna switch some things up for the rematch tonight.
Well, he has to. The first thing he has to do is switch the approach to the fight. First fight, he said he was very defense-minded. Now he needs to go out and fight as Conor McGregor does. Take the pace to Khabib, but just be ready to defend those takedowns.
Well, perhaps a sign of things to come as he lands a kick there.
Nice kick landed by the two. He has a commitment to kicking tonight, and it shows.
Attacks the body. Oh, that's a nice strike there by Nurmagomedov.
You're always thinking wrestling when you fight Khabib, but you better be very wary of his stand-up. He's developing the skill every single day.
Man, he's just got a great feel for the striking realm early in this one.
The timing is on point. He's doing a great job of mixing everything up.
And they separate. Oh, well-timed and placed overhand. Oh,
dude's hurt. Oh, he's hurt.
Back to the feet. Oh, big knee. Under 3 minutes now to go in what has been a very fast-paced opening round here. 26 total strikes have now landed for Khabib Nurmagomedov.
Right under the elbow by Khabib. And oh! What a fantastic strike to throw at the exact right moment. He deserves to move. Go finish his fight.
Back to the feet. All right, single collar tie now. Nice connection with that punch. It's one thing to have an edge and reach. It's another to take advantage. Nicely done.
That one stuck in. Nice.
Oh!
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad.
Oh, big left. Just misses with a left hook there. Oh, he lands another strike to the body, really starting to... The overhand, now he's hurt.
That's one of those shots that if you take one of them, they can get the night down.
He's out!
Holy smokes!
Yeah, that right there is a high-level knockout, ladies and gentlemen. Crowd absolutely loving it. Just a perfect shot to end the fight. Landed flush. I'm not even sure his opponent saw it coming. So a huge, huge win for that young fighter here tonight. All right, let's get you some replays now. Certainly a lot for our replay guys to work with in the truck. This was a clinic tonight in terms of mixed martial arts acumen in every realm of the game.
A full-on display of all of his skills. He did everything in this championship-winning performance. He used his wrestling. He used his elbows. He used his pace and pressure to really wear down his opponent so that he can get his hand raised.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Mergliata has called a stop to this contest at 3 minutes, 38 seconds of the very first round. Declaring the winner by